Okay, guys, okay, first game natin is are going to play, listen to me are going to play a bring the game. Who knows that game? Sinakalam nun. Actually, familiar kayo lahat doon. Tama ba sa game na yan? And, okay, kaya yun yung pinag-game ko kagad para malaman ko kung ready na kayo lahat. Actually, guys, yung game na to, hindi lang kayo yung kasali. Pati sila mom and daddy, kung sino mang parents na kasama nyo this time, kasali rin po kayo kasi yung mga object po na hihingin ko manggagaling po sa inyo. Okay, at syempre, ang kukuhanan yung mga kids natin at yung object na manggagaling yun sa inyo. Okay, yes. For example, when I say, I want you to bring me or unahan na magdala sa akin ng kotse, ano tatalong nyo din? Ha? Kotse, tama, kotse. Kukunin nyo yung kotse yung sa labas at papasok mo dito sa loob. Kaya mo ba yun, Dave? No, kasi sample lang naman yan, Dave. Actually, guys, marami kaming prize para sa inyo. Sino ba gusto magkaroon ng prize? Kung gusto rin na prize, come on, taas ang kamay. Okay, sino gusto ng mini laptop? Taas ang kamay. Ayan, meron tayo na. Sino gusto ng Apple iPad? PSP? Washing machine? What? Okay, so sige. Okay, so now guys, actually marami tayong toys para sa inyo. Okay, we have lots of games and lots of prizes for you. So now guys, ready? Game? Ready? First, bring me. Actually, meron kaming nilagay na 5 yellow star sticker under your chairs and table. May nakalagay na happy birthday, Glory. Okay? So actually, wala pa pong go. Kaya wag muna natin hanapin, ha? Ayan. Pag sinabi ko na pong go, tsaka natin hanapin. At pambata po siya, ha? Okay, ready? Yes, hanapin yung sticker na yan, ha? Under your chairs and table. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go! Wala po kayo nakuha? Teka po, tanongin natin si Mami. Ma, may nilagay po ba kayo sticker? Aray. Hindi, actually, sample pa lang po talaga yun. Iisip na lang po namin kung ready na po talaga lahat ng kids natin. Nakakalaman ready na silang lahat. So kids, ito na yung reel. Bring me natin. Reel na to, reel na to. Ready, ha? Kids, are you ready? Yes or no? Ang hina, gusto kayo malakas, kids. Are you ready? Yes or no? Okay, ready. First thing, I want you to bring me out your family picture. Go! Come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Family picture. Ayan, wala pong family picture. You have family picture. Meron po ba yung family picture? Sige, ate, 5 seconds. 5. Ayun, meron na. Saan ka dyan? Saan ka dyan? Ikaw tatlo yan? Okay, so, what's your name? Palakpakan naman natin si ate. Okay, so ate, you win Apple iPad. Yeah. Alright, so now, next, bring me. Listen to me, guys. Next, bring me. I want you to bring me ayan, your longest belt. Pinakamahabang sitaran. Go!